Assalamu alaikum everyone, this is Dr. Hassam Anjum Mir back with another video. In this video, I am going to review the Panda P2 scanner. This is the scanner that I have been using in my clinic and I am very satisfied with it. And before going on, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching my previous videos. So this is the Panda P2 scanner. As you can see, it is a compact scanner. Its tip is slightly big. The newer scanners are coming with a much more smarter tips and body size, but still it's not that big. The body is created of metal, so it does not get scratched very easily, and its weight is just 250 grams, so that it does not feel that heavy in your hand. You can hold it like the pen style grip and scan very easily. Multiple plastic tips are available which can be autoclaved for 20 to 50 autoclave cycles. So it is based on the starring scanning technology with coded light structure. This technology is a modification of active wavefront scanning technology. You can watch my previous video. I have a link here in which I explain the technologies of the scanning. So this is, it has good technology, not the latest one, but a good technology. The scans are very good, the scanning speed is good, scan accuracy is very good. It can scan up to a depth of 20 millimeters and it has a accuracy of 10 to 15 micrometers, which is at par with the much popular brands that are available. I'm also attaching a study in the description where this Panda scanner is compared with the other scanners like PrimeScan, Trios or iTero, and it has comparable accuracy and precision with them, and it is available at a much cheaper price than those scanners. So for a newer practice or a smaller practice, this scanner is very good. So now coming to some disadvantages of this scanner. The one is that it has multiple cables. You can see there are multiple cables connecting. The latest scanners are plug and play scanners. You connect them with the USB, they receive the power from that USB port of your computer. But for this scanner, there is a separate cable for power and a separate cable connecting it through USB with the computer. So because of that, the wires are a bit cumbersome to manage, but if you have it fixed on a trolley, you can manage the wires. Not that big an issue, but still slight issues present. Another thing is that some of the latest scanners have eliminated the need for calibration. This is the calibration device for this scanner. You need to calibrate it every few days, or if you move it from one place to another, then you have to calibrate before scanning. So that is an issue, but still some good brands have calibration devices as well. And if you do not move the scanner too much, it remains in the same dental practice. So you don't need to calibrate it too much. So this is the software of the scanner. It is very user friendly, very simple, and you can see the scan quality here as well. I'm going to show you in the end of this video the quality of the scan as well, and the scanning part as well. But the scans are very good colored scan with the texture. While you are scanning the soft tissues, it is very easy. It does not lose orientation very easily. I have seen other triangulation based scanners. You cannot record a palate very easily. The moment it comes over the soft tissue, it loses its scan, and you have to again go back to the occlusal surfaces of the teeth and then bring it back back on the palate. It records the palate good as well. You can record per arch in 2 minutes, although they have written 50 seconds, but that is too quick maybe for clear aligners. But if you are scanning crown and bridge, you need to record the margins well. So it takes 2 minutes per arch, which is fine, because if you are recording an impression using elastomeric impression material, it may take some more time as well because of the preparations of the impression material. So overall, this is a very good scanner. I've been using it very successfully. Another thing before going over to the case, they have a cloud as well. So if your lab has an account with the cloud, their cloud, the company is Fracti. If they have a cloud on Fracti as well, you can upload the case on the cloud, and the laboratory can download the case and fabricate the processes. Otherwise, the cases are stored in your computer, and you can send them via email or WhatsApp. And it can save the data in STL, PLY, and PLY texture as well, because it records the texture of the surface very good. So it has that as well. In the end, if you have any questions or queries, you can email it to me. My email is given in the description, and you can write a comment on this as well. And if you want to select a scanner for your clinic, I have another video. You can find the link here in which I have explained how to select the scanner for your clinic as well. So thank you very much for patiently listening to this video. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and thank you